Here's one of the best ways to use AI automation that most people don't even know about. So we built this custom script right here. So as soon as we launch the script, it's going to go to the website. It's going to automatically enter the zip code, as you can see here on the screen. It's going to automatically scroll through and navigate through the entire website to go find specific information that we need to download. And then it's going to take all that information. It's going to nice and neatly organize it into a folder for us that we can use. It's going to look just like this. So you're going to have all the different states. You're going to have the zip codes, and inside there too, you're going to have all the different plans. So this one was specifically for Medicare Advantage plans. We were looking for the summary of benefits. We need to extract all that and then essentially use it for a specific purpose. This process, doing this manually, would take months of time to do. It's enormously expensive. This is going to allow you to complete this process exponentially faster and trim this entire process down from several months to just one day. So you're pretty much just going to let this run on your computer in the background while you're doing all your other stuff. And then by the end of the day, you're going to have a nice built out file system here. But if this sounds like something that you guys could potentially use in your business, we'd love to hear from you. Please click the link below to contact us, and we'd love to talk to you.